Morning guys, May 1st, 2026. So now I gotta go back to that lady's house. I was over there yesterday and I'd fixed a water leak up in the ceiling. And she's saying that it's still dripping down in the basement down in there. And she had called me yesterday. I said it might be residual, water that was soaked on the floor, dripping down type of thing, because it's kind of in a bad area where I gotta get up in there and
turn left at 195 west.
But anyway, going back over there, and she called me and said I guess it's still leaking overnight, so we'll go over there and shut the water off, see if we can locate what's leaking over there, and
turn left at 195 west.
I guess she says there's an electrical wire that's she's got to shut the power off or something that can get electrocuted over there or something. So I'm going to shut that part of the power off and run a cord so I can get lights down in the basement down there, whatever the hell that all means. I don't want to get fried, Well, it's kind of in a tight, dingy area. Can I do it? Yeah, probably. We'll see. Another damsel in distress. It's an old Victorian house. Water on.
Turn it on. The pantry is over here, with the pipes over here.
You said when you run the sink upstairs it was leaking?
I noticed that.
You got the water on now?
I just turned it on. Let me turn my faucet on.
Oh, I see what you mean by that electrical line.
Yeah.
It's flipping dead. It's just hanging there. Oh, I can see what you're saying.
Though. It goes right in the closet to the circuit.
That's kind of dangerous.
Yeah, I know.
Why don't you do something about that before you burn your flipping house down?
Well, that one wire that's there that's hanging, where your glove is there, don't touch it. They're just taped off.
Hey, I don't know.
Okay. So
Go ahead, go turn the water on.
okay. All right.
Could be a drain. It's gonna run the sink. I think it might be coming from a drain or something, because I don't see it dripping. To get my looks like it might be coming from somewhere. I don't know.
And that pipe actually ends in the corner there.
That's right here where I think it's. We'll have to cut it upstairs and then replace this pipe. I don't need this drip. I can make a cut over there and put a new piece up.
Okay.
All right, let's shut the water main off. I know what I got to do now.
Okay.
All right, so I put a coupling up there, an old ball 45 to a vent 90. Get it all sorted. Hopefully it don't leak. I'll turn the water on, which is leaking right where it went to this concrete. This mortar stuff is where it was leaking. Concrete and the copper don't mix, everything. I should be able to, I did shut the water main off and open the meter, drain it over here, because I turn this on, and I should be able to open another valve. It's got all the power shut off. I had to bring a cord in from outside. Well, we got a leak. What's leaking? Oh, it's leaking all right here. Let's see. Here's a leaker. Here's a leaker. Gotta open the faucets again. Hello? Oh, hello? Open all the faucets again. I got a leaker. This is easy enough to fix. Easy enough to fix that. Drain everything back and we'll fix it. I get leaks too, you know. Especially in a tight area like that. Right, I had to cut that elbow out. Flipping thing was leaking. I got the water back to it. I had to cut that elbow out. That elbow was leaking. I did try soldering it a couple of times, but there was a spot that didn't take. There was a spot that didn't take. Oh, right there, maybe. Kept leaking on me. Whatever. I'll never cut it out and replace it. I get leaks. The only people that don't get leaks are the guys that don't do any work. This is what was leaking. Where it went through the concrete. The mortar. I don't see it leaking. That's good.